All right, today we're gonna bring a fish filter, and this is it has the stones already, so it has the clay balls ready to go. It has an extra filter that they give you, so you can align in there. Attachments for the actual hose, but it does not come with any valves or any pumps. You're gonna have to provide your own. This is pretty much it. It is heavy, so it's gonna sink all the way down to the bottom. It's supposed to clean all the stuff around it, and then also give them oxygen too. So there's entrance here where all the stuff's gonna go, and if you guys can see, my tank is dirty, so we're gonna fill it up right now and see how good it works. So we're gonna put this together. I don't have to add the second one, but I am gonna add the pump. So let's go ahead and do that. Here it is. It's running right now. We're gonna see how good it cleans it up. So I'm gonna try this one out for a bit, and then I'll coordinate where to establish this one too. So I'm gonna leave it in the bottom and see how much we could. Look how white it is right now. All right, let's see how much of this green algae is gonna soak up.